Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ifan Daniel Beraizat. My metric number is 14 DTP 20F 1039. Now I want to present about manufacturing system project. Firstly, determine two type of waste in lean system. 1. Defects. This kind of waste occurs extra time, money and resources are used to fix mistake. Any flaws during production that may influence the final product performance. Appearance or functionality are referred to as manufacturing faults. Wilt is impossible to completely eliminate flaw. They can be managed by applying more stringent quality control procedure. Second, overproduction. As the suggests, overproduction refer to the production of too many items. Usually, the happens when a product or component is produced in advance of when it is needed. In just in case, management overproduction is frequent occurrence that cause a variety of problems, including delay workflow, high storage costs, and increased spending and unnecessary lead times. By improving planning or work coordinations process, this form of waste can be reduced to a minimum. Next, I give the presentation to Daniel Hakimi.
Thank you, Ifa Daniel. Okay, my turn. And my name is Muhammad Daniel Hakimi bin Jamshari, and the metric is 14 DTP 20 F1021. Okay, today I want to present about the definite three supply chain and logistic management. The supply chain, the first is planning, locating supplies, managing personnel and facility, creating those goods and service, and distributing them. There are just a few too many tasks that supply chain management encompasses. The second is supply chain management seek to improve operational efficiency to provide the company a competitive edge. The third is SCM, control how raw material are transformed into complete product and transport from the procedure to the maker. These products are provided to merchant of sold straight to customer. Logistic management. The first is logistic is a one activity in supply chain management. The second is the efficient and economical delivery to goods to the client, to main focus of logistic. The third is the movement and transportation of item within the corporation is the main focus of logistic.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Rahman bin Abdul Aziz. My number matrix 14DTP 20F1041. Now I want to answer question 3.1. The question is major problem they face. The major problem is operate efficiently and maintain a competitive edge. Operate efficiently is every organization depend on a variety of procedure or a series of action to complete a task. This procedure should improve efficiency while preserving order and consistency. But with time, procedures frequently grow cumbersome. They ultimately cause delay and incur costs as a result of that. Team can work effectively and consistently if they keep process improvement top of mind. Next, maintain a competitive edge. Maintain a competitive edge is another incentive to concentrate your effort on process improvement measure is because your rival most likely will. Or to put it another way, the company will likely lag behind the competition if its procedures are not being continuously improved. That's because at least some of its rivals, if not all of them, will be implement such upgrades. Okay, that's all for me and thank you.
Which motivates everyone to work toward the same objective. Operational effectiveness can also have a favorable effect on the finance division and the purchasing procedure. Employees make the best use of their time with it, and business production increase. Naturally, it follows that the next phase is simply raising your market level and profit margin.
Hello, Assalamualaikum and good morning to my friend. My name is Muhammad Nur Alif bin Muhammad Azmi. My matrix number is 14DTP 20F1037. And today I want to resume my friend presentation. And about pay attention to production costs. Costs are produced by every production. The precise amount of resources, labor, and time needed for each process must be known of. Earlier expenses are simpler to spot in this method. Once the issue has been located, one must determine why a solution is needed to save expenses without sacrificing quality. And number 2 is discover the source of failure. Knowing where failures come from is just as important as not knowing the failure themselves. When a failure is discovered, it is crucial to determine how and why it happened. By doing so, it is impossible to address the issue at the source and prevent the development of fictitious solutions that merely conceal flaws in the producing process. Thank you. Next, I will pass to Hassan.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ahmed Al-Hassani. Now I will suggest the most suitable lean practice. Number 1 is continuous improvement. In order to achieve continuous improvement, look for tiny, observable, quick wins and make sure all stakeholders are involved and contributing to the success. Look for wasteful producers to eliminate and project lifecycle restriction to enhance as part of the continuous improvement process. A generic approach might not be appropriate for all project types, and each project process should be seen as a value stream. Number 2 is organizational and process constraints. In order to prevent any component of the system from becoming overloaded, lean project management places a strong emphasis
on identifying and managing organizational and process constraints throughout the course of a project. To help employees understand why it's crucial to avoid project overloading, the major limitation within a project lifecycle, an analogy that should be promoted inside an organization, compares the project management lifecycle to a relay race. That's all.